Happy last day of school, Tigers, and welcome back to the world's greatest elementary school for one last time. That's right, today is the last day of school, and what does that bring? It brings our end of the year virtual pep assembly. And you know what's fun about that? There are so many cool things that we're gonna look at today, but the first is gonna be our amazing field day. Check this out.
Turn to the Mac, get up what it is, what it does, what it is, what it isn't. Looking for a better way to get up out of bed instead of getting on the internet and checking a new hit. Me get up, first shot, come strut walking. A little bit of humble, a little bit of cautious. Somewhere between like Rocky and Cosby's for the game. Nope, y'all can't copy yet. Glad moonwalking, and this here is our party. My posse's been on Broadway, and we did it all way. Chrome music, I shed my skin and put my bones into everything. I record to it, and yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, on my INDEPENDENT shit hustling. Chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin'. Halfway across that city with the back crush shit. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country.
Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment. Tonight is the night, we'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
Nah, can I kick it? Thank you, yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised you. Y'all can't stop me, go hard like I got an 808 in my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Raw, time to go up, gone, deuces goodbye. I got a world to see, and my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer, nah, I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people. Now sing this song and it goes like, raise those hands, this is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I fall, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching.
Can we go back? This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Go back. This is the moment. Tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over. So we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us.
So we put our hands up. Awesome. Thank you so much to Mrs. Na and Mr. Rainey for making that happen. Hey, I hope you all had a chance to see our amazing yearbook. Thank you, PTA, for that. And if you saw that cover, well, that was designed by a student, and I want you to see Madeline Carroll in Mrs. McCutcheon's class getting her award.
And so we are here today to announce the winner of the yearbook contest because they're in this class right now. And that would be Madeline Carroll. So you are the official cover of the yearbook. And you get a copy of the yearbook. Also, you get a Dairy Queen gift card. So congratulations. All right. Hey, that was awesome. Congratulations again to Madeline. And hey, you know what? Our virtual end of the year assembly always has a lip sync contest. So here is our first entry by Mrs. White.
Way to go, Mrs. White. That was awesome. You know what else was awesome? Was on Wednesday, we got to say congratulations and goodbye to our amazing fifth graders and wish them well as they head on off to Mapleview Middle School. Check out some of these pictures from our fifth grade graduation send-off.
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain, when I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. 'Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Yeah. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Yeah, yeah. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here, but you're not. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. 'Cause the drinks bring back all the memories, and the memories bring back, memories bring back.
Again, congratulations, fifth graders, on your graduation. We're so excited for you to go to middle school. Hey, you know what else we had? We had our remote student drive-through, and they got to come through and say goodbye to their teachers this year as well. Let's check out some of that footage.
I'm never gonna
It was awesome seeing our remote students yesterday at our drive-through parade. Hey, our next contest for the lip sync is Mrs. Hokinson's class, Shaking It Off.
I'm lighting on my feet, and that's what they don't see. That's what they don't see. I'm dancing on my own, dancing on my own. Make the moves up as I go, as I go. And that's what they don't know. That's what they don't know. But I keep cruising, can't stop, won't stop grooving. It's like I got this music in my mind saying it's gonna be alright.
Thank you, Mrs. Hokinson, second graders. That was awesome. Hey, you know what else is awesome? Is that Shadow, our mascot, is graduating elementary school and is gonna be off to some other places. But you know what? We'll still get to see Shadow, and here's what else we're gonna see is Shadow's little tiger cub sibling is gonna be here starting this fall. And all of you tigers, you get to help name our new mascot. So this fall, you're gonna get a chance to meet our new mascot, and you're also gonna have an opportunity to enter the naming contest for our new mascot. We have one more entry into our lip sync battle to end this assembly. Here we go. It is Mr. Mitchell and his daughter singing Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing craze. It means no worries for the rest of your days. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
Hakuna Matata?
Yeah, it's our motto.
What's the motto?
Nothing. What's the matter with you? You know, these two words will solve all your problems. That's right. Take Pumbaa, for example. Why, when he was a young warthog. When I was a young warthog. Very nice. Thanks. He found his aroma like a certain appeal. He could clear the savannah after every meal. I'm a sensitive soul, though I seem thick-skinned. And it hurt that my friends never stood downwind. I know the shame. What's the shame? I'm changing my name. Oh, what's your name? And I got downhearted. How'd you feel? Very proud. Pumbaa, not in front of the kids. Oh, sorry. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful phrase. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing phrase.
It means no worries for the rest of your days.
Yes, kid. It's our problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata.
All right, those lip sync battles were amazing, and you guys can vote in your class with your teacher to let us know who you thought had the best lip sync in this year's lip sync battle. All right, hey, I am so looking forward to summer, but even more than that, I'm excited to hear what some of our other Tigers are excited for this summer, and here they are.
Drums, please.
Something I'm looking forward to this summer is continue riding my bike and playing soccer.
I'm going to Disneyland. FaceTiming with my friends. Probably swimming in swimming pools.
Going to all my soccer tournaments.
Playing video games all summer and going on vacation.
sleeping in and going to see my family.
No homework.
Going on trips with my family and playing with my friends.
Going on trips. Going camping.
I'm looking forward to going on a trip with my family.
Going swimming on the lake and having friends over. We're going to Ocean Shores on Saturday.
I'm looking forward to visiting our family beach cabin and taking my son in the kayak with me.
Going to Utah with my aunt.
What I'm most excited for this summer is traveling with my family, spending time with my family. I always love playing sports, but most importantly, I'm looking forward to getting ready for more school and continuing to make more checklists.
Playing outside on my trampoline. I'm looking forward to go to a pool and going to my reunion. I am going to Zion National Park, so I want to go hiking and stargaze. Going to Wisconsin.
I'm most looking forward to spending time with my family.
Basically, I'm going to the mountains. I want to jump in the pool and have some fun.
Sleeping in.
Relaxing and recuperating and enjoying summer.
This summer, I cannot wait to get into the lake water, ocean water, river water, anything swimming or camping. That's what I'm looking forward to.
I'm most looking forward to like having fun with my neighbors and going to places and
Spending time with my family.
I'm going camping.
Relaxing.
The hot weather.
The pool.
Sleeping in. Hanging out with my kids. No Zoom. Spending time with my children.
I'm looking forward to going swimming and seeing some of my friends during the summer. Playing a lot in the summerness and floating down the river.
I'm looking forward to going on lots of vacations and going swimming at my grandma's house. I'm looking forward to moving to my house and moving to my new house and my cousin sleeping over.
I am looking forward to traveling to California and seeing my family for the first time in a long time.
Going to camp and seeing my family. Relaxing and eating potato chips. I'm looking forward to go to the water park and going to the skate park with my friend Jackson. Going to Florida and hanging out with my mom and papa and auntie and uncle. Maybe go down a slipping slide in a pool and go boogie boarding in the ocean. Go swimming at my grandma's house.
Oh, I'm looking forward to walking my dog and just relaxing and reading books.
I'm looking forward to fishing with my dad. I'm looking forward to getting the EP done this summer. I am looking forward to going swimming in my pool with my best friend.
Oh, Tigers, I am so excited for the amazing assembly that we had today, and I'm also excited for what we're going to be doing summer. It's cool to hear what all of you are going to be doing. This has been an amazing year, Tigers. A little bit strange, some of us being remote, some of us being hybrid. We are so looking forward to seeing you back here next year on September 1st for a great year. Again, 5th graders, congratulations as you go off to middle school. Thank you, Tigers, for welcoming me to Shadow Lake this year.
All right, Mr. Abbey, thank you for everything you did this year as well, and all of our Tiger staff for being incredible in such an interesting year. We're excited for all of our Tigers to be back next year, including our teachers, our students, and our families. It's gonna be a great year, and at this time, just turn to your teacher and say, thank you, teacher, for a great year. All right, Tigers, now, as always, we like to end our pep assemblies on a great note. So this year, we want all of our Tigers to go away this summer remembering it's a great day to be a Tiger.